as energy efficient and as sustainable as we would like to run it. Different norms and different standards are pushing in the right direction. But we know that if you do smart choices within data centers, you can optimize everything. In order to have an ecosystem, I think it's important to connect the professionals. We need to connect them with you, the water experts, on how I can actually build that important, I call it critical infrastructure, to build for sustainability, resilience, and so on. If I can make the standard of 100%, no downtime, it will be ideal. But I know there are always a 0.1% risk. But if there's risk occur, what I can do to fall back and so on, to make sure my data center remains resilient. So we talk about liquid cooling data centers, which I foresee many of the data centers are going to move toward liquid cooling.
The most challenging data center project nowadays, we can say that energy and water, where it's very unique in every country. Water is restricted and also energy. So these kind of two things need to tackle in every stakeholder in the project itself, from the client itself until to the operation team, consultant, contractor, supplier, all of this.
It's a combination of restrictions on power, restrictions on water, while we have increasing rack loads, and kind of that all comes to a head when we look at these reduced building footprints to get these kind of capacities, and the other constraints that come onto these sites, things like noise as well, becomes a very difficult balancing act of water usage, power usage, and the environment around the data center.
Data centers are fast-paced, they evolve very quickly, and the demand is also very high. So one of the major challenges that we face is on the delivery lead time of major equipment, and this includes the pumps.
The pump manufacturer always only supply the pump and also focus on the performance of the pump. But today's your explanation, you consider the system of the data center, not only the pump. So you propose some of the system with each pump basis. The should be develop the data center phase by phase.
So we need a quick study and design in data center project. So Grundfos team supports designers, consultants, actions. Yes, we chose Grundfos product.
I think Grundfos is targeting the high efficiency equipment and products, and this makes the differentiation from the market, and also improving reliability, which the customer always seek for environment where reliability required.
We chose Grundfos. I'm so impressed. There are many pump products in Grundfos lineup. So than as a pump vendor, it is very helpful.
Now we focus on HVAC market, and we use Grundfos for this market because Grundfos is focused on energy efficiency and more reliability for this pump product for HVAC system.
I think apart from that, our point of view is the downtime of data center, which Grundfos can help overcome on the downtime requirement with good reliability of the products and service from Grundfos.
Some kind of like a control pump that specifically for its equipment is very helpful for us to have alternative for the control, especially for the water flow control inside the data hall, and also the one that coming into the equipment. It's very effective, and I think it's an efficient way to have some kind of like control in that one. Grundfos is always adapt to what industry needed, especially for the data center industry. Yeah, I think in the future, Grundfos will have some kind of like product, a line of product that can support data center in many ways.
For me, I work in Indonesia, then yeah, no matter how advanced technology is, but who will treat this kind of technology? So it will be better than it's supposed to be at the global market, the global supplier can be present in every country that they sell the products.
Yeah, absolutely. I think Grundfos understands the data center industry, which is really important. They understand the criticality and the importance of the uptime on these pumps, the maintenance, and everything that goes into it beyond the design.
The kind of long-term performance guarantee that we provide, the kind of reliability that is demanded by the data center space is critical. So I believe our collaboration, we are very confident that our continued working relationship with Grundfos would be ensure that it's a win-win for all stakeholders in the data center space and beyond.
As part of the global sales development data center team, We work with end users, designers, consultants, other stakeholders to develop innovative and sustainable data center cooling solutions. We've always got our mind on water savings, energy savings, and the circular economy, and we try to bring that into all the solutions that we provide.
We're basically all over the world to ensure good lead times, to ensure an efficient supply chain, but also to ensure that we can always fix our customer needs.
Possibility in